Hello everyone, friends. On Calivel today, I'll show you how to convert an iPhone photo to JPEG format. Yes. To do this, you can open your browser and search Google for photo to JPEG. There, we'll pick any site. They're usually free. Here we choose, click on. Which one should we pick? Let's try this one. Or maybe a different one. Let's go with this one. Here we select our file, our photo. Then we click download. Yes, download. And you've downloaded your photo in the format you need. There, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.